What's wrong?
Oh, Wise Owl, I need sugarcane, but I have no money.
Don't fret, little friend.
Welcome. Here is your fresh lemonade.
Needs more sugar and ice.
Yes, the recipe calls for 2 scoops.
Right, more sugar and ice coming up.
Look, I earned enough. Now I can buy all this sugarcane.
Never lose hope, my friend. With determination and effort, you can solve any problem.
I understand. I'll try my best.